Welcome to a world where creativity knows no bounds, where innovation reshapes storytelling, and where you can thrive on YouTube without ever showing your face. In today's video, we uncover the mystery behind faceless YouTube channels and how AI tools are revolutionizing the game. Stay tuned as we reveal the secrets to building a successful faceless channel and the tools you need to make it happen. What are faceless YouTube channels? Faceless YouTube channels are exactly what they sound like, channels where creators remain behind the scenes. From animation to tutorials, from reviews to storytelling, these channels captivate millions without ever revealing the person behind the content. Many of the biggest YouTube channels like Tech Gadget and Calm Meditation are faceless yet wildly successful. Advantages of faceless channels. 1. Maintain privacy. 2. Focus on content, not appearance. 3. Automate content creation. 4. Appeal to a wide audience. Faceless channels allow creators to focus entirely on the content's quality and value. They are especially appealing for those who want to maintain anonymity or separate their online persona from personal life. Moreover, such channels cater to a diverse range of niches, from gaming to history documentaries, giving creators limitless options. Why choose a faceless channel? It's simple. Faceless channels offer privacy and flexibility. Whether you're camera shy or just prefer to focus on creating content, this model works wonders. And here's the best part: with AI tools, creating high-quality videos has never been easier or faster. Faceless channels are a great way to scale your YouTube business. AI tools further streamline this process by automating script writing, voiceovers, and video editing, so you spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time innovating. The AI tools revolutionizing faceless channels. Now, let's dive into the AI tools that can turn your faceless channel dream into a reality. We'll break this down into 5 key categories. AI for script writing. 1. Tools: ChatGPT, Jasper AI. 2. Use: generate engaging scripts quickly and efficiently. 3. You can use ChatGPT to write a detailed review of the latest smartphone, complete with pros, cons, and key specifications. 4. Deep dive: experiment with different prompts to make your scripts unique. 4. For example, you can ask AI to include storytelling elements or simulate debates to make your content more engaging. AI for voiceovers. 1. Tools: Murph AI, 11 Labs. 2. Use: create natural, human-like voiceovers without recording your voice. 3. Example: use 11 Labs to generate a variety of voice styles to match your channel's tone. 4. Pro tip: mix voiceover styles to create a dynamic listening experience. 4. You can switch tones for dramatic storytelling or educational content. AI for video creation. 1. Tools: Pictory, Synthesia. 2. Use: turn scripts into videos using stock footage and animations. 3. Example: Pictory can help you craft a professional explainer video in minutes, using royalty-free assets. 4. Additional content: combine your video creation tools with platforms like Pixabay or Unsplash for a broader range of visuals. AI for animation. 1. Tools: Doodly, Animaker. 2. Use: craft custom animations for storytelling and tutorials. 3. Example: create a step-by-step tutorial using engaging whiteboard animations. 4. Engagement tip: incorporate interactive animations where viewers can learn visually, such as graphs or charts. AI for thumbnail design. 1. Tools: Canva, AddCreative.ai. 2. Use: design eye-catching thumbnails to attract viewers. 3. Example: use Canva's AI-powered design suggestions to craft a thumbnail that pops. 4. Extended tip: test different thumbnail designs using A/B testing platforms like TubeBuddy. Step-by-step guide to starting your channel. Starting your faceless YouTube channel is easier than you think. Pick your niche. 1. Examples: tech reviews, educational content, AI tools, or storytelling. 2. Extended tip: dive deep into niche research. 2. Tools like SEMrush or Keywords Everywhere can help you uncover untapped content opportunities. Plan your content. 1. Use AI tools to research trending topics and generate ideas. 2. A compelling narrative can keep viewers engaged and coming back for more. Create scripts and voiceovers. 1. Write scripts with ChatGPT or Jasper AI. 2. Add professional voiceovers using tools like Mirth AI. 3. Additional tip: use AI-generated subtitles to make your videos accessible to a global audience. Design your videos. 1. Use Pictory or Synthesia to turn your scripts into videos. 2. Extra content: explore different video styles, from explainer videos to cinematic montages, to diversify your channel's offerings. Optimize and publish. 1. Design clickable thumbnails with Canva. 2. Add SEO-friendly titles and descriptions using tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy. 3. Extended tip: post videos at optimal times based on your audience's active hours. Success stories of faceless channels need inspiration. Here are some success stories. 1. Tech Explained, a faceless tech channel with over 2 million subscribers, earning 6 figures annually. 2. Relaxing Sounds, a meditation channel bringing in thousands monthly with minimal effort. 3. AI Explained, a channel dedicated to AI tools, achieving rapid growth by leveraging trends. These creators often reinvest in their channels by upgrading their tools or hiring freelancers, further boosting their production quality and growth. Imagine the possibilities when you use AI to handle most of the workload. Monetizing your channel: how do you monetize a faceless channel? Here are your options. 1. Ad revenue, earn through YouTube's partner program. 2. Affiliate marketing, promote AI tools and earn commissions. 3. Sponsorships, partner with brands for sponsored content. 4. Merchandise, sell products related to your niche. Offering exclusive content to your loyal viewers can be a great revenue stream. Explain how creating a diversified income stream can stabilize your earnings and reduce reliance on one revenue source. Highlight creators successfully blending these strategies. Overcoming challenges: every journey has its challenges. Maybe your videos don't get views initially, or you're unsure about content quality. Remember, consistency is key. Use analytics tools to refine your strategy and keep improving. Engage with your audience through comments and community posts. Building a connection with your viewers can help grow your channel organically. Share stories of creators who faced similar challenges and how they overcame them. And there you have it, the mystery of faceless YouTube channels unraveled. Ready to start your journey? Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments.